Today, I'll walk you through on the way that you can create a Twitch account and start streaming. If you're trying to stream on Twitch and you don't know how you can do so, in this video, let me show you the steps. Open up a web browser and then search for twitch.tv. Once you search up for twitch.tv, now in order to sign up, click on the sign up button on the top right. Once you're in this section, you need to fill in your details, such as create a username, a password, enter in your date of birth, and then add in your number as well. If you don't want to add in your number, you can click on the use email instead option. This way you don't need to add in your number and you can verify your Twitch ID using your email address. So fill in this information and then click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to the email address or the mobile number that you've entered. Head over to your email or your phone number and then enter in the code and then click on submit. Now once you click on submit, starting off, you'll need to choose some of your interests so that Twitch can show some videos that are relevant. Now once you've successfully created your Twitch account, in order to start streaming, you'll need to get a stream key and use a software like OBS Studios, like I'm using right now to record this video. So in order to get the stream key from your Twitch, click on the profile icon on the top right. Once you click on your profile section, a bunch of options will appear. Now in order to get your stream key, you can head over to Creator Dashboard. Inside of Creator Dashboard, you'll see the option called Stream Manager. Click on the Stream Manager option. Now once you're inside of the Creator Dashboard, in order to get your stream key, you'll see the option called Settings and then click on Stream. Now this is your private streaming key. You should not share this key to anyone else. This is your own and you must keep it private. Now just copy in the stream key, open up a software like OBS Studios, head over to settings, click on stream and make sure that Twitch is selected. Click on use stream key, paste in your key and then you can hit apply. This way OBS Studios will be connected to Twitch and you can easily start streaming through the use of OBS Studios or any other software that you like. So that was the process on the way that you can create an account and start streaming on Twitch. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.